Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to thank everybody who's taking part in the poll. I know I'm doing a service. I would like to think I'm doing justice to Jamaica. I'm trying to give the unvoiced a voice and speak on issues, whether it's good or bad, without any bias, because I don't get no money from politician or no bad man, and nobody is paying my bills but me. You see what I'm saying? And for those of you out there who think countryman is afraid of anybody, I am not. I am actually a warboat. I'm a warship, but I'm not gonna lose focus. I'm gonna keep on bringing the information and bring my views. Now, you saw the video that played before I started speaking, and it's the politician Daryl Vaz, the Machiavelli of Jamaican politics. His name has been called in so many things, but he could never ever go to prison. I don't know how he does it, but I need that secret, Daryl, Mr. Vaz. But look at the video, and you see how he came up and he's riding a motorbike. It's only 18 seconds. I'm gonna loop it so you guys could actually see it more. But he's riding a bike, and the way the people them are reacting, you would think it's Jesus Christ that just came to earth. That's how much these people look at these politicians in a godlike manner. I was actually flabbergasted. It sucked all the oxygen out of the room when I saw this video. Even the young man at the end of the video to the right, like all he was doing was riding a bike. How many people out there is he giving jobs? How much good is he doing? But when he comes and ride a bike, that's what people respond to. You know what? A friend of mine told me that Andrew Holiness won the election because of image. That's really what he used to win the election. And the more I'm looking at it, I think there's a change in Jamaican politics. I don't even know what to say. But this man come around riding a bike, and he's riding a bike and people are praising him, actually bowing down to him like he's Jesus Christ, God gift to the world. This is what I'm talking about. You understand? Now, look how many Jamaicans are being killed every day, but a politician can live until they're 200-300 years old. What's wrong with that system? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep the fire burning. Now I'm gonna play the clip after this speech, my little commentary. I'm gonna play the clip again so you guys could actually see what's going on. Countryman, I'm out. Hey, we'll be on to the politician them we all live forever in a Jamaica, dog. More know them secret. Peace out.